Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you a quick and simple way to fix the blurry camera issue on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Now scroll down and tap on Apps and Notifications, depending on your device. Next, tap on App Info to see the list of all installed apps. Scroll through the list and find the Camera app. Once you find it, tap on it to open the Camera app settings. Here, look for the option called Storage and Cache and tap on it. Now you will see two options, Clear Cache and Clear Storage. First tap on Clear Cache and then tap on Clear Storage. This will remove temporary files that might be causing the camera to work improperly. After doing this, close the settings and open your Camera app again. In many cases, this simple fix helps remove the blurry issue. And that's it. Your Android camera should now work much better. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching.